Hey guys, my name is Elena, and today in my Lifehack tutorial I'm going to talk with you about stroke in Adobe Illustrator. Okay guys, now we are in Adobe Illustrator. Here you see two icons with different stroke. Here the size of the stroke 15 points and here 5 points. If you need to have icons with the same size of the stroke, first, you can do this. You can select that icon and write here 15. Or you can select that icon and take eyedropper tool and select that stroke. And here we have the same stroke like that icon. Now guys, if you want to scale your icon, for example, let's select that icon, what will be happen? Let's press Shift to scale our icon proportionally and make it bigger. And now you see the size of the stroke became bigger. Now if you make it smaller, the size of the stroke became smaller. It became bigger and smaller proportionally. But if you need to make it bigger or smaller and you don't need that the scale of the stroke will be changed, what you need to do? You need to press Ctrl K, and now you see that window, and here scale, strokes and effects. You need to delete that check mark. Let's delete it and OK. And now guys, if you want to scale your icon, the size of the stroke will be the same. For example, let's make it bigger, and now you see here 15, and let's make it smaller. You see here 15. And guys, I want to show you some more tips about stroke. Sometimes you need that side of the stroke should be rounded. How you can do it? Select the line, go to the stroke options and select that option, rounded cup. Okay, now you see here that your line became rounded. And for example, maybe you need here rounded line. You can again go to stroke, select that option. Okay, now you see that those sides of the line became rounded. And for example, if you want to see that side rounded, you need to take direct selection tool, select that point and just hold and drag that point to round the corner. Next, sometimes you need to make dashed line. You need to select that option in stroke options. Okay, now you see dashed line. And you can change the size of the line. For example, let's write 50. And sometimes maybe you need to underline text, and you can do it with help of dashed line. Okay, like that. And you can change the size of the line in any time. For example, let's write here 40. And it will look like this. And maybe you need to use the dashed line here. You can the same select that line here, and now here we have dashed line. And as well you can change the size. Maybe you need something smaller, 25 for example. Now it looks better. Next, sometimes you need arrows in your design. For example, you need to create infographic and to show some information. You can make it as well with the basic options of stroke. Select that stroke, go to the stroke and select here arrow what you like, for example this one or maybe that one. So you create, for example, line here, select here arrow, and now you see that the arrow shows that way. We need that the arrow showing that way. We need to go again to stroke and here select none and here select. Sometimes you need to create difficult shapes of the stroke and select that stroke, go to the stroke and select profile, and maybe you need that form, or maybe you need that form. Many designers creating these forms by themselves, but if you need something basic like these forms, you can use basic options of stroke. So guys, in my life hack tutorials, I'm going to talk with you about simple things in Adobe Illustrator, but very useful and helpful. If you like that life hack, please give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about graphic design. Bye bye guys. Bye.